Hello, my name is Olga and these videos are designed to try and help children aged 10 or 11 in terms of understanding English and Maths, and each time we'll take a question, we'll look at a topic, we'll look at what the child needs to know to be successful in that question, what they should look out for in terms of any future possibilities of tripping them up so that they don't get the right answer, and maybe some ideas in terms of the approach and some ideas of how to think quicker about the question. So that's the general emphasis and that's the general ambition for the whole programme, and I hope that you're finding it useful, and I hope you find today's question useful. Let's go. Okay, so here's our question that we've got, and it's with regards to temperature today. As we can see, we have a question that says the temperature in Belfast is 3 degrees. The temperature in Glasgow is 8 degrees lower than it is in Belfast. And the question is asking, what is the temperature in Glasgow? So we have to work that out. Like, questions with temperature are generally straightforward, but you have to know which way you're going to go with them. The gotcha on this one is to go the wrong direction with the temperature. So let me just move that question out of the way so that we can manipulate it. My tip for this one is to draw a temperature line so that you can visualize it, because that's what's going to make sure you definitely get that question right. So for this one, if we take temperature and we have a line, just a quick line, it's going to take you 30 seconds, 20 seconds, but you're going to get that mark, as opposed to trying to work out in your head what's 3 minus 8 going into negative numbers, which is always going to be a challenge. So you've got the 0, which is obviously word. So you've got 3, 2, 1, and then when you go below the lines, you go into negative numbers. So you've got -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. And that should be enough to take you down 8 degrees lower. And all you simply do is take your starting point, which is the 3 degrees, which it says Belfast is 3 degrees, and you count down 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there is the answer. So in the answer you write -5 degrees, and that can be a lot quicker than actually trying to understand what 3 minus 8 is, and then you're going past that 0 and you're going into negative numbers, and it can just be a bit confusing. So for 30 seconds, write it down and job's a good one. Now let's look at this second one. We've got the temperature in Edinburgh is -4 degrees already. The temperature in Dresden is 7 degrees lower. What is the temperature in Dresden? So we've got to go from -4 down another 7. So again, if we just do a quick temperature line, and these, I mean, I'm labelling these, but in the real thing, obviously a child doesn't need to do that. So we've got a -4, -5, -6, -7. Obviously, children who are maybe more agile in terms of their mental maths, they could do this very quickly, and it really wouldn't take them any bother to say -4 with 7's -11. They know that straight off. But just for a child who just struggles with their mental maths and the capability there, it's a great way in order to move forward. So you go from the -4 position and we take this down 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we get -11. And that is the answer to that question. So I hope that helped, and I hope that's given you something in terms of maybe an approach. If you see a temperature question, again, with practice, obviously these will become much easier, and I look forward to speaking to you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Speak soon.